What's up, guys? So, quick question for you. Um, I've been trying to figure out like different sort of content to post, and so I'll think of something to post on Face or YouTube, and it's to me it just seems like every idea that I have, I'll search it, and somebody's already made a video about it. So it seems like really there's nothing new that I could share. Like literally every trick, every tip, every how-to video has completely been on every one. Um, so in your opinion, does it make sense to, I don't know, re redo them, right? I mean, obviously I'm giving my own take on it, it's coming from somebody else. And that's kind of how I feel where I might be a little bit different is, my style, my teaching style, right? So maybe my teaching style might be different. Somebody might learn more from me than somebody else. Even if the other person's a better teacher or they describe it better, maybe somebody might connect with me and be like, oh, I learned from this guy really well. So yeah, maybe I just answered my question. Um, that said, so what, blah, blah, blah. With that said, what sort of stuff do you guys want to see? Do you want to see like more construction style teaching or woodworking? I mean, I do pretty much everything um, other than welding. I mean, I know how to weld enough to hold a weld, but I'm not teaching welding. So what sort of stuff do you guys want to see? Do you want to see like on the job construction style or more woodworking? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. All right. Take care. God bless. And I'm going to make a video today. Another video. I've been putting up shorts, just taking videos at a job, up in the boom, stuff like that. And those are kind of fun because I don't have to sit down and talk to the camera. Even though I've been doing this for a while, I'm still like super uncomfortable with talking on the camera. I don't know why, but it is what it is. I'm going to try to get better. I think the more that I do this, the better I'll get. And hopefully you guys will be understanding in my learning process. All right. Again, take care. God bless. And see you guys later.